You got the camera on the ice, and it's looking at all of these things across the level ice. That's option number one. Option number two is the camera's 6 inches off the ice at 0.88 miles away is the tangent of the Earth. It's skimming across the tangent, and all of these at nighttime with no humidity are refracting up and stopping exactly at that tangent line. None of them are going above, none of them are going below. They're just magically stopping at that tangent line. Option A, flat Earth. Option B, heliocentric religion.
Yeah, the only way to be able to see those multicolored lights would be to invoke refraction.
Or flat Earth.
Well, yes. I mean, again, there's two options here. So there's the absolute flat Earth, and that way you should be able to see them, assuming there's no density, obscuring, like the further you see. That's why we can't see Mount Everest from,
No,
eventually.
That's not why. Oh no, you can't because of the density. You're right. You're
Correct.
right.
Correct. So,
Right.
assuming the density is not an issue, it's a very low humidity day. Then the only way to see those lights are either, according to your theory, the Earth is perfectly flat, or there's some form of refraction that is bending around the Earth. And
Now,
but again, yeah, go ahead.
You got to take point, right? That this is on a frozen lake, so the refraction levels will be at a minuscule.
No, and I agree with that. They would be relatively minuscule at that temperature, and it's frozen, so I assume it's sub-zero degrees centigrade. Now, you said that the water is perfectly flat, but it wouldn't be perfectly flat because the water on a globe would, follow the shape of the globe. So the water of that lake would actually be, curved according to the globe, right? It would freeze curved. Does that make sense?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
But we're seeing the lights, though. They're not blocked by curvature.
Yeah, again, there's no real... The only explanation... assuming everything you're showing me is correct, and I have no reason to think it otherwise, then it would seem that would be, as they say in Star Trek, an anomaly.